And welcome. Good morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, welcome sa aking channel. So today I'm with Kuya Clint, as they were prepared to be called that way in their most recent FSY, Kuya Clint. And so where are we? Saan tayo ngayon?
Sa mga bundok
Gula.
ng mga puno.
Siyempre bundok yun eh. Sabagay may bundok naman, walang puno pala. Yan, papunta kami sa Gula, Gulo, Galo. Ito lugar na to. Pero yun, mag-work kami with missionaries. And Clint, we're doing this so we can help Clint to be prepared in serving his time in the mission. Yeah, you go. We're doing this to prepare him for, him to be prepared sa pag-serve sa mission. And look at this. Yeah. Last time we were here, we didn't know exactly what, the where, and we were guided by the Spirit. Take over.
Hi vlog. So ito nga pala. Si Kuya Larry kami, naglalakad kami. Pagod na ako. Si Kuya Larry hindi pa. So yun nga.
So yeah, see you later na. Bye-bye. Kakain na lang kami dito. Tapos ayun, tapos na vlog namin. Thanks for watching.